What's the meaning of ambergris? Ambergris. 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 Ambergris.
Ambergris is a substance produced in the digestive system of sperm whales. It starts off as a sticky mass and hardens over time to become a waxy substance with a musky scent. When used in perfumes, ambergris serves as a fixative, helping to prolong the scent of other fragrances. Due to its rarity and unique properties, ambergris is highly valued by perfumers and collectors alike. Despite being a product of the digestive system, it is considered a delicacy in some cultures and has been used for medicinal purposes throughout history.